Hi, I'm Dean Powell with Keller Williams Realty, and welcome to 6119 Pinewood Road in the amazing Montclair neighborhood of Oakland, California. This 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house has an incredible master suite, an inviting front patio, and is in a great location close to freeways, shopping, and so much more. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Thank you for joining me for a tour of this incredible home. I look forward to seeing you at the open house this weekend.